In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add classes to transactions in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on class tracking and apply a class to a transaction so you can organize your books by departments, projects, campaigns, or any other category that matters to your business. Classes are great for slicing your financials in a meaningful way without changing your chart of accounts. Think of them as flexible labels you can use across different types of transactions to see how specific parts of your business are performing. First, we need to enable classes in your settings. Start at the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, select Account and Settings. In the window that appears, look to the left and choose the Advanced tab. Here, find the option labeled Track Classes and turn it on. When you're done, click Save to apply the change. Enabling this setting makes the class field available on your transactions so you can tag them consistently going forward. Now that class tracking is enabled, let's add a class to a transaction. Head to your transactions and open one you want to categorize. This could be an expense, a bill, an invoice, or another supported transaction type. On the form, you'll see a class field. Click it, and a drop-down will appear. If you don't have any classes created yet, select Add New. Enter a clear, simple class name, something like Marketing, Events, or East Region, and then click Save. That's it. Your new class is created and applied to this transaction, and it will be available in the drop-down the next time you need it. A few quick tips as you work. Choose class names that are meaningful and consistent, so anyone on your team can pick the right one at a glance. Keep names short and avoid duplicates to reduce confusion. You can use the same class across different transaction types, which helps you compare performance by class in your financial reports. When you review your books, those class labels make it easier to see profitability and spending for each segment of your business. From here, you can continue opening transactions and assigning the appropriate class using the same drop-down. Creating classes as you go keeps your workflow smooth and helps ensure every transaction lands in the right bucket. And there you have it. Enable class tracking, open a transaction, choose the class field, add a new class name if needed, save, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in QuickBooks Online.